driving school. In this video I'm going to tell you about the making a U-turn. Many students they failing their driving test in when they making a U-turn from the traffic light. So in you driving normal also, or if you are going in a driving test, you must need to know the proper rule to do a U-turn. So in this video I'm going to tell you the step by step how to make a U-turn from traffic light. If you haven't follow and subscribe my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and follow. So U-turn is a very important task. Whenever you're going to make a U-turn from the traffic light, always give your indicator, and after that there going to be a slip line. Many times when you're going to do a U-turn from the traffic light, there going to be a slip line. So go in that slip line, and just like there is a 3 car waiting front of me, I don't need to rush anything. When the light is going to be green, the arrow is going to be green. As you can see, here is a arrow also and light also. When my arrow is going to be green, I need to go in the intersection, and like now my arrow is green, so I need to go in the intersection. If anyone is going to be turn left, I need to give way. I need to stop here. If anyone is going to become left, I need to give way. But now no one is coming. That person start to give the left indicator, but it was a safe gap. I started to move safely. So always whenever you making a U-turn from the traffic light, the U-turn person will go in a last. So many times students they make a mistake and they fail their driving test because they first of all they think they cannot make a U-turn. You can make a U-turn everywhere where it's written no U-turn. You cannot make it over there, but if there is a no sign at all, you can make a U-turn from every traffic light. So but make sure, keep in the mind one thing: for making a U-turn, the U-turn person is going to be in a last. So always you need to stay in the middle of the intersection, and once you feel safe gap, then you can go. Like for example, I'm going to do one more U-turn from the next traffic light. As you can, again there is a slip line for turning right, for making a U-turn. So you need to be in that line, and then like three car was standing in front of me, and this light was so quick and suddenly changed to yellow to red. So I had enough time to stop, so I stopped my car completely. Many times students they follow the next car and they go in a red light and they fail their driving test. Make sure, be very careful whenever you're turning right and left from the intersection. So many times, because some lights they change very quick, some light they take a little bit time. So always if there is a 3-4 car standing front of you, you don't need to rush. Always just wait patient, look carefully. Once you go close to the line, if light is still, then start to move. If light is changing to yellow, then always prepare to stop. Many times students they follow the next car when they turning right, or when they making a U-turn, when they standing on the intersection, the light is getting green, but there is a 4-5 car standing front of them. But most common mistake student they do, they don't see the traffic light, they only follow the next car. Next car went safely, but you will stuck. So always make sure, keep your eye on the traffic light. If the traffic light is still green and you are completely, you can go, then go. Otherwise just stay behind the line. Now this I'm waiting for this traffic light. Here is arrow is red also, the main light is red also, so I need to wait it patiently. Like as you can see now, the arrow is red and the main arrow is green, main light is green. So from the front side no one is turning left. if no one is turning left, I can go. And when you're making a U-turn, you can choose any line, because from one line to becoming a two line, so you can choose any line. So this is all about how you can make a U-turn from traffic light. If you still have any question, any doubt, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will reply you soon. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon with next video. Bye for now.